What's good? What's good, yo? I'm using first off, it's your man Don Bucks. Welcome to another episode of Cheef in Chart, man. Brought to you by Redell, the dopest platform on the internet streets. Heard? I'm using this new internet, right? Because Verizon was started to trip, right? Verizon was starting to trip. Um, but yeah, I'm using this new internet, so hopefully we Gucci. But like I said, dopest platform on these internet streets, man. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell when we go live. We talking options trading. We talking about getting money all around the board. You feel me? But never been a show like this. Never been a show like this. You feel me? And we still gassy. We hitting the gas. I told you on, I don't know what episode that was. I was like, man, I hope plug keep this going. I don't know what it is, but it is gas. You hear me? So that's what I'm chief in the day. Gas. But yo, this is episode keep on moving. Keep on moving, don't stop. Keep on moving. Yeah, we hitting the gas, man. I'm still in MO. I'm still in MO. And I told y'all, you only need one stock. And I think that's where a lot of people went. I don't know which episode it was. I'm like, yo, where's all the 2020 options traders? Um, it's that piece. It is that piece right there. You can't be all over the place. You only need one stock. And I'm gonna show you if you've been paying attention to the other episodes. I've been trading one stock, doing calls and puts in one stock. And if you took my course, you know how to do it. So basically, here I'm just going to be going over my plays and giving you some nuance and some behind the scenes and how I think and what I see. So Cheef and chart, you feel me? She'll break out whatever you smoking, and let's get into some charts. So y'all know what chart I'm going to. I'm going to MO, but first we gotta check the overall market, right? So as soon as this pulls up, this internet kind of janky. I ain't gonna hold you. So far, it's a little janky, but we're gonna rock with it for see how long. It's only day one. It's day one, so we're gonna see. So we peeping the overall market. That's first and foremost, right? Options trading is a probability game. No one is going to be 100% right. No one. Okay. So, as you can see, we've been on a downtrend since January. So, let's draw a line. You got to draw your lines. Oops. All right. So, this should be more appropriate. All right. Boom. So that's what's been going on since January. Now, we done approached the upper part of that downtrend channel. So we're seeing projection. You can see if you draw the tops and connect the lows on the bottom, you can see how it bounces in between that channel. But these are potential, all levels are potential levels. They can all be violated. As you can see here, it got violated back here, right? That's why you should go down to other time frames to see exactly what's on in these bars, aka your trading time frame. And for a long time, I did not have a trading time frame. So I know some of y'all don't have no trading time frame, but not as consistent as I am knowing what my trading time frame is, which is the hourly. But then you have a relatable time frame. All trading time frames should have a relatable time frame so you can see inside of it. So if your trading time frame is the hourly, in order to see what's going in one of those bars, you got to go to the relatable time frame. So mine, divide hour by 3 to 5, gives me 15 minutes. I look in the 15 minute to see and manage my trade that's in the hourly. Okay. That's a gem. That right there, I can shut the show down. I can shut the show down right now off that right there. So now that we know this is on a downtrend and it's bouncing off of the downtrend, I can go to my stock, which is MO, because that was the spot I was just looking at. So you can see real time how fast this internet is. There you go. Slow, but the other one was faster, noticeably. To me. All right, so John took a mean right here. You see that? Mean downtrend, but then it stopped and started trading sideways. This is one way, one indicator that I use to help, I guess, make my decision. This is a momentum indicator. So this shows you what's going on as far as momentum is concerned, whether it's upward momentum or downward momentum, as highlighted by the green and the red bars. When the blue line crosses up and then the green crosses to this side of the histogram, that signifies momentum to the upside, as you can see right here. So if you can see this bouncing off of a level and this blue line crossing up, that's more confirmation on your decision. All right, that's the only reason I use indicators, to give me a better, help me make a better decision as to what I'm seeing. I see what I see, but then I use the indicator and be like, okay, I am seeing what I'm. But still, at the end of the day, it's all still probability in that indicators. Yeah, I hope y'all writing down. So this is my stock right here. I've been trading this job. And just to let y'all know that trading in ranges, which is what it's in now, it's not going up or down, it's going sideways. So trading in ranges can be tricky. It's less predictability. So your odds are, we're putting the odds in our favor. The odds are less in your favor trading in these things here, and they're called trading ranges. To be a little bit more savvy than the average trading in these things. But this is where I'm trading. So I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing. This is not financial advice. I keep forgetting to say that in the beginning. Why y'all ain't remind me? So yeah, this is not financial advice. So what was I looking for? Oh, what did I say about the SPY? I said it's coming up into a resistance. Let's take a peek. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to um, yeah, I'm looking forward to rally a little bit possibly tomorrow and hit this resistance and drop. I'm looking for puts. I'm looking for puts at the extreme, and I believe this is probably going to rally a tad bit tomorrow and drop. That's why I puts in. So I'm gonna show you why I did puts. I'm gonna show you how my play played out on Friday. Show you that first. All right, so that's the range that is trading in. It's not going up or down, so I can't really see what's going on. So I go down to my trading time frame, which boom. Now I can see more information, right? More bars that are going on inside of those daily bars, right? That's how you a trading time. So now we're going to draw our potential support and resistance areas in our trading time frame. So have this area here. Something like that. We're gonna go with that. We're gonna go with that right there. Doesn't have to be exact, but get as close as possible. You have a level here, looks like. All right. 2 points or more. That price stopped at. So that looks like an area right there. And you see why I draw an area, because we had an extreme right here. That was a lot. So gotta put it in there. Okay. Now, what do we have above it? We have a level here above it. Boom. All right. What else do we have in here? Look, that's what we got, right? So I'm looking at, I'm looking at I'm looking at it's at a resistance level. So I got puts in. That's my edge. And you have to trust your edge. Why I have puts in? Because it rallied crazy for a couple days. So what happened Friday? Let me just show you what happened Friday, and then we're gonna go from there. So what was Friday? It was today, the 25th. So Friday was the 27th. Right. Um, Let me draw the levels below because we came from low. So we got a level here. Um, this is tedious, but this is how you print money. Now, seriously though, this is how you do it. This out here. Right. I don't know what happened there, y'all, but we back. I don't like it. I don't like this one. But I ain't stopping. Let me see if I can. There we go. Aha. All right, so it went up and stopped right here. Yeah, I like that. One thing about MO though, I'm gonna tell you this: it trades sloppy. So that's one thing you want to know. You want to get to know about your stock. You want to know how it trades. Do it trade clean? Do it trade sloppy? If you can look at this MO violates resistance lines and support lines habitually. It's a habitual line stepper. And Mo is a habitual line stepper. So being that I could take that into consideration about my stock, you know what I'm saying? So this is what that means when you hear somebody say, yeah, get to know your stock. That's what we mean. Like, what levels do it respect? Does it respect levels? Because Mo don't be respecting the levels. And I'm coming to learn that because before this, I was trading another stock. I was trading, let me see something here. Yeah, I was trading ASO. You feel me? So back at it. Yeah, so I've been playing this. I've been playing this all this week. So what happened Friday? Okay. All right. So 22nd, boom. It hit here. It came down to support right here, and I did a call here. Did a call here. Took profit this morning. Right. Took profit. Waited for it to pull back to here. Bar. I don't usually see, but I went down to the 15-minute, and I see something in this 15-minute. Let me see. Let's see. Oh, right here. I seen this right here. This pin bar at support once I took profit right here this morning. Took profit here this morning. Seeing it, this pin bar right here. And I took call here. So I'm in it right now until tomorrow. So actually, no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's not what I did. I took profit here this morning and it kept rallying. So that's what happened. It kept rallying. And you have to be okay with that because I planned my exit before I got in. So I'm not, and you need to, everybody needs to plan your exit. That's why we're drawing these rules in the first place, right? So we can know where we're getting in, where we're getting out. So I knew I was getting out right there. So I wasn't about to up here and be like, oh, let me hold on. Because who knows what's going to happen. And it kept rallying. But towards the end of the day, I seen this pin bar. Um, After all that rallying, a pin bar at a resistance. So I took puts and I'm taking puts halfway. I'm gonna say I'm taking profit around here. So when it falls, and that's my edge, I believe it's gonna fall because the S&P 500 is coming towards resistance too. So once the S&P comes to its resistance and falls, the rest of the market usually does the same. So being that this is at a resistance as well, I put two and two together equals my edge. I say this is going to rally a tad and come back down. So the next level down would be 43. So I got a $43 strike price 4 days out. So if it don't happen tomorrow, which I believe it is, hopefully it'll happen on Wednesday. So that's my edge. That's what I see. And this is the 15-minute. My trading time frame is the hourly. So as you can see, it did all this rallying from Friday. It has to retrace at some point, right? So my edge says that not only is it coming towards this resistance, it's a whole nother level right here. So I don't believe show me. Plus, the market is on a downtrend, so it has to show me. So I got 2 days for it to happen, and my edge says it's going to reject up here, just like it did right here. Y'all see that? It tried it back here. So I think it's going to fail. So that's my edge, y'all. And I think, not knowing this plus over leverage, like putting too much up on a trade is what got a lot of people ghost. A lot of those options traders from 2020 is ghost because this type of nuance that I'm giving you guys is from trial and error and learning and still reading and still watching videos. That's what this comes from. So don't over leverage. Draw your levels, know your overall trend, come down to your trading time frame, draw your levels, then dissect it in your relatable time frame. If you that, yeah,